the other day, this tip, the cap broke on it, so it won't hold the tip in there very good anymore. So I'm going to try and make another one. So the tip goes in there like that, and as you can see, it's broken. So I'm going to try and make another cap here that'll hold that in there so it doesn't leak. So the first thing we got to do is measure all these parts. So we need this measurement. And then we need across here. We need the total height. And this little lip in here, we need to know how thick that is. And then these little ribs on the side, we get those. Probably help to have the thickness of this. And then of course, this piece fits in that opening at the top, so we just need to double check that. And then we need to know these threads, and those are probably some kind of, I don't know, non-standard type thing. So I found the easiest way to do the threads is to just measure this. So like that's approximately a ½ inch. And so if you just take this and go 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, there's about 10 threads per ½ inch. That means it's a 20 threads per inch. So in Fusion 360, I'll start with the base and then the barrel, and then put the top on with that little overhang lip. And then I can make one of those little ribs and copy it around and put the threads in. When that's done, I can create the STL file to send to the printer. Next, I'll bring the part into the software for sending to the 3D printer. Next, I'll select the finer settings to print this part because it has those threads and it's going to have some torque on it. And then off to the printer it goes. So here's the part out of the printer. So that little part goes in there. Supposed to swivel. And looks like we got the threads good. Those work. So there it is. All fixed.